Hello everyone. Just tell me that is there any way wherein we can change the straight lines into curves? If you think it of, I think only magic can do it, or else, yes, string art can change the straight lines into curves. So let us begin our journey to learn about string art. Curve stitching is a form of string art where smooth curves are created through the use of straight lines. The process of curve stitching can be done with a piece of paper and a ruler or anything you can make a straight line with. One of the easiest curves to create using curve stitching is parabola. Now, what is parabola? Now, a parabola is a plane curve which is mirror symmetrical and is approximately U-shaped. You've done it in the chapter of polynomials, wherein we had done the quadratic polynomials. There, the curves we had shown you that it was a parabola. So, the easiest possible curve to be drawn using string art is parabola. The straight lines do not actually create a curve, they merely approximate it. Once a parabolic section has been created, you can use it to form interesting designs. Now let us learn how to make these designs. First step, I'm starting from the simplest possible way. I draw a right angle and I divide it into equal intervals. I could have taken a graph sheet also, but I've just taken a right angle and I have divided it into equal parts. The next step is that you draw a line from the furthest mark from the right angle on one line to the closest mark to the right angle on the other side. That means this is the furthest mark, and I go to the closest mark. So I'll draw a line like this. Next step would be I'll draw the line from here, and I'll go on to this point. The third step will be come to the third point and go to the third point here. Fourth point from the top, go to the fourth point from the origin, let's say, fifth point from the top, and you go to the fifth point to the origin, and so on. And this is how I keep on going to in one direction. So see, I have done it for you, and this is the figure that you're going to get. Now, this just rotated at an angle of 45 degrees. The parabola is oriented in a conventional way. This is what the parabola generally looks like. If you see this curve, this is looking quite smooth. But if I want even a smoother curve, I can just take the lines, the divisions to be closer, and you see the smoothness of the curves increases. In this picture, here I have taken 32 divisions here, and I have got a very smooth curve. From here, I go on to here, and a smooth curve is formed. Now, if you want the parabola to continue, you can extend the lines in both beyond the right angle also, and I'll get the parabola this side also. If you want a narrower parabola, remember if you take the angle, if you reduce the angle, the parabola will become narrower. But if you just increase the angle, then the parabola becomes wider. Now, just see, I have created now parabolic sections inside this polygon. I've just taken a triangle and I've tried to create three parabolic sections here. So you can give wings to your creativity and try out different things. I've created a star shaped here. See, the star has been created. You can see how it has been done. I have taken the same first figure which I had taken with 10 divisions, and you can see count here the 10 divisions, but I've used this time different colors now. So if you use different colors, you get a beautiful pattern like this, and if you try to make it more intricate, you are going to get even better patterns. So these are few more designs of using the string art. Beautiful patterns have been created, and they are all using the parabolic shapes. So you have to design your own pattern yourself, and it is not that you will be taking one picture and doing it step by step. You have to draw and take pictures and give us the complete journey of getting this design till the end. So let me show you one more very interesting thing, how the neatness changes. See here, when the divisions are more, you are getting this pattern. But if I am increasing the division, see if there were 9 divisions, these are the 9 divisions, 9 equal divisions made. When there are 10, if I'm increasing the number of divisions, 14, to 17, 18, 20, you're seeing the curves become smoother, and the more are the number of divisions, the smoothness increases, the pattern looks all the more beautiful. So if you are increasing the divisions, the pattern becomes more beautiful to look at, this curves becomes more smoother. Put in your best efforts to make the beautiful designs. It is not that difficult, something creative you've learned. This is another pattern that I have drawn, so be creative and enjoy mathematics. Thank you so much.